Okay, this is it, guys. Waking up here for the last time in this van at a camp. We've been here at Sunny Hill Restoration Area. It's been a great place. So peaceful and serene. Have this whole area to ourselves. It is free with a reservation, and when you do the reservation online, they give you the code to the gate lock. So you're really behind a gate here. No one else can come in. It's been awesome. We've had this whole place to ourselves, deer running around our camp, and just super peaceful. Nice place to just kind of get grounded and prepare myself for the transition here. I am going to be gifting this van to the new owner this morning, so I need to get moving here pretty quick. I spent the last few days getting the van cleaned up, although it still looks like there's a lot of stuff in here. I've removed a lot of it, and it's in a storage unit nearby. So I'm going to head up to the storage unit, get my last bit of food and stove out of here. I am going to be leaving the battery bank, which is 4 AGM batteries for 360 amp hours of battery bank. The 2 100-watt solar panels, the charge controller and everything, of course, everything that goes with it. And then also the 12-volt fridge. Got an ice cold fridge that's been very good to me, but I figured that'd be a nice addition for him, something he wouldn't have to get himself. And again, I am going to be gifting the van to the new owner, and we talked, and he's going to give me a donation for all of the solar and the fridge and stuff that I'm including to help me out with my new transition into my new vehicle, so that's very much appreciated. This van was gifted to me, so I really didn't want to profit from it. Although I recently put a lot of money into it with the rebuilt transmission, brand new tires and rims, so I feel like he's getting a really good base vehicle that he could put some time and money to bring it up to par. It is a 30-year-old van, so you know, it's a 91. It needs some attention, but we talked about everything it should need, and he's prepared to tackle that. Price is right, so I need to get moving here. I got to get out of this camp into my storage unit. He's going to be arriving shortly, so I need to have all this stuff out of here. So the adventure continues. We'll be showing my new vehicle here shortly, and I just appreciate y'all guys all following along. This has been a wild adventure. I've had this van for a little over 3 years. Had my previous van for, about 3.5, so I guess 3.5 years with both vans, for 7 years total. And this is going to be my 8th year living in a van, so on the 8th year, 2021, I'll be transitioning to the next vehicle, and we'll be showing that shortly. Away we go. All right, let's do it. Alright, this is the big day. I am departing with the old Chevy G20 here and handing the keys over to Rich. Rich is going to be the new owner.
Very, very lucky to get this van. I really appreciate it. I'm going to take care of it, and I'll be out there seeing you all.
Nice, sounds good. And you get to get a handmade spoon, comes with it.
Treasure this forever. It's got to be official.
Right on, Rich.
Good job.
Well, be good to her. She's been good to me.
Very happy. Probably call her the Adventure Van.
Sounds good.
It has all those good memories. There'll be more.
Right on, man.
Runs great. I mean, it's unbelievable how good a shape it's in. Really.
For a 30-year-old van, she's still doing all right.
I'm shocked.
Right on. Well, I will probably be seeing you again. We're going to be heading down your way in southern Florida eventually, so until again, like we say on the road, we never say goodbye. We just say until we meet again.
Exactly.
Right on. Sounds good, Rich. All Enjoy. Right. There he goes. See you, old van. We had a lot of good adventures together. Bye-bye. Okay, this looks like the place. A cow pasture off here to the right. Lake Panasofkey. Looks like they have a campground host as well. supposed to be warm this week. We've got temps in the high 70s. Feels like it's in the mid 70s today. So yeah, we might just go say hi to Dwayne real quick. There he is. All right, we're gonna shut her down here and go say hi to Dwayne. All right, this is it. We got a nice spot under this giant oak tree here. Got the van tucked under there. I don't have any solar panels right now, so I'm not really needing any sun. Kelly's needing the sun, so she's parked over here catching the last bit of evening sun. Really cool little spot. Get a little table here, kind of a barbecue grill, fire pit, and there is water, but it's marked non-potable. So be able to use that for cleaning and such. Not too bad. All this moss on these oaks. So cool. Neat area. Very pretty. A little bit of a breeze picking up. We haven't really eaten much all day, so we need to get some dinner going. But glad to be at a camp. Been kind of doing the city thing, parking in parking lots the last couple nights. First 2 nights in the box van, so it's going to be an adjustment till I get some building done on this thing. So we'll get some work done while we're here. I'm going to get the pass-through cut and a couple other projects. Okay, so today's the first day doing a little work on the box van here. I'm going to try to get the pass-through cut. The top of the cab is right here at these rivets. You can see it's riveted along to match the contour of the front cab. And that's sealed there, so there will be no leakage or anything. So it works out really good. I think I'm going to do right almost up to the top of the cab. I'll obviously have to be ducking through there and make it wide enough. You know, the passenger seat probably comes out about here and the driver's seat about here, so it should be a good width. I'm going to try to go as narrow as I can, but wide enough to be comfortable to pass through there. Okay, so I got those 2 strips of board removed from the front here, and it looks like the way these are constructed is that from the other side is like a threaded insert. So that's like the nut end of the bolt, and the bolt just screws in through that board through here. So those holes are actually very convenient. I want to keep those, and we'll probably use those to attach the furring strips that I'm going to add. So I think I'm going to go with just within those so I can retain those, the one here and the one there. So I'm going to measure from hole to hole here, get a center line, and then measure out a distance I decide on from that center line. We'll go up front and see where these lie between the seats. Okay, you can see up in the cab here, this is the other side of where those threaded holes are. These must be like a carriage style or something because they're not spinning or just force fit in there. So very nice, and they're sealed because these are on the outside of the box as well. So you can see where they lie. That's just kind of behind the seat there, so I think I want to have the pass-through maybe out here on each side. So like I said, I'll make a center line on the inside of the box between those two and then measure out, oh, maybe about here I think will be good. And I think I want to go up, maybe even, don't know how far up I want to go. I'm going to have to look at that and see. Maybe all the way up. Maybe leave an inch or so between the, this is the metal of the actual cab here. You can see the way these are constructed. There's just a seal in between, and that box is butted right up against there.
Ready? Got it.
Hey, there it is. The pass-through. Woo! Nice job. That cut pretty nice.
Yeah.
It's pretty smooth. All right, well, we're just loving our time here at this camp. We've met so many cool people, and look who it is, guys. We got Dwayne here.
Caught me eating.
Dwayne made us up some of his famous beans here. What did you add in there? Ribeye?
Yeah, pork ribeye,
Nice.
a little maple syrup, a little barbecue sauce. And those are anasazi beans.
Anasazi. I did up pork loin in the pressure cooker over here. Kelly can't see that well, but we're about to dig in. Kelly made us up a salad. She's hiding from the camera as usual. A little spinach salad there. So we're just loving life. Life is good. Thanks for watching, everyone. I just wanted to take a minute to give a big thank you to you all for being a part of this adventure. It just really means so much to me to have you all along. Thank you to those of you that have ordered stickers and those that have sent donations as well. It just means so much to me. I really, really appreciate it. A big thank you to you. And then also all of you that have offered up a place or places for me to work on this van while I'm out here on the road. Thank you. I have taken one of you up, Bill, into the Tampa area here in Florida. I will be heading to his place here soon and probably spending a couple weeks there and doing some more work on the van. And hopefully we can accomplish a lot in a shorter amount of time, so we're looking forward to that. Again, it's just this community that we've built here through this YouTube channel is just so amazing. I am blown away to have all of you along for the ride. It just really is a special, special thing to me. So thank you again. I hope you're all doing well out there, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.